question every Indian youth is asking. Can someone living thousands of miles away truly understand the struggles of the young people fighting every day on Indian soil? This has taken over social media with mean satire and loud criticism of the system. Cockroach Janata Party. Its founder, Abhijit Dipke, currently based in the United States, has become the face of a digital rebellion claiming to represent unemployment and Indian youth. But across the country, many are now asking if the youth of Indians are facing the problem. Shouldn't the fight also happen from India? Isn't it too easy for someone sitting in the United States talking about the problems being faced by the Indian youths? India is not just a trend. India is not just content for reels and hashtags. India is a nation built by people who stayed, struggled, and worked to change the system from within. The controversy began after unemployed youth were allegedly compared to cockroaches. Instead of ignoring the insult, social media transformed it into a movement. Within days, the Cockroach Janata Party exploded online with sarcastic campaigns targeting unemployment, exams, and politics. Yes, frustration among the youth is real. Yet, questions about opportunities deserve answers. But many citizens believe patriotism is not just about criticizing the country from abroad. A true patriotic person is about standing with the nation during difficult times and contributing towards solutions from Indian soil. Because the youth of India do not need hopelessness, they need direction, they need innovation, they need leadership that stands with them in their own soil. They need leadership that inspires confidence in the country, not just anger against it. India today is building startups, leading in digital technology, expanding infrastructure, and becoming a global voice. Millions of young Indians are working hard every day to build the future of this nation and remind you not by mocking it, but by strengthening it. And that is why this debate has become bigger than just a viral page. It is now a question of responsibility, a question of leadership, and a question every citizen must ask. Should India's future be shaped by online outrage from outside the country, or by those willing to stand here, build the nation from within? This is something you should be asking to yourself, because no one can motivate you but your own thought. This is Neeta Samantrai, and you're watching Crazy Bites, news that impact your education and career.